Now this video won't win any awards, but here you can see a wood pigeon. It won't win an award because there's a big pole up in front of the image, but you can see a very big wood pigeon sitting in bird bath, dwarfing the bird bath, but that pigeon comes down every day, loves that bird bath, has a good wash. The water has to be changed quite regularly though. He's quite a friendly pigeon, he's not too nervous. They all get a little nervous, but not too nervous. Going to check the flower pots that were just emptied, see what's in them. But you can't help but like wood pigeons. They never really came into gardens until the noughties. In fact, I think 2008 they began to record them entering cities all around Europe. They were, of course, always being hunted because they are the game bird in Ireland and Europe. This one is actually collecting stuff, which means it's probably building a nest. And there's a collared dove about to do a mating call. They're still breeding, even though it's near. There we go. It's competing with a lot of the noise, jets.